Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side. My sister and I usually make a main dish and a side on our channel, but that means all these delicious pasta recipes get left out.
We can't let that happen.
I know. So this week we're starting a 7-part pasta series that you'll find on our channel every Saturday for the next 7 weeks. We've got a little bit of everything for you in this series, from spicy sausage pasta to luscious creamy pastas that you can't resist. Today I'm making a spicy sausage pappardelle. It's a tomato-based sauce with a little bit of chili and some fennel. This is my favorite pasta of all time, so I am super excited to share it with you today. Let's start. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. As that's heating, we can get started on the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna start by sweating the onions and the fennel. The fennel in this recipe is so good. If you haven't tried it before, trust me. It adds a little bit of sweetness and the unique flavor is so good. We need a large pan that everything can fit in. Heat the butter and olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions, chopped fennel, and fennel seeds. Cook them until it's soft, just takes about 5 minutes. Next, add the garlic for just about 30 seconds. Then add the sausage and cook it until it's almost cooked through. This will take about 5 minutes as well. Be sure to be breaking up the sausage as it cooks. Add the chilies, tomato paste, and dried oregano. Stir it up, then pour in the wine. I think this is an essential element to this sauce, but if you want to replace the wine, use chicken broth instead. Deglaze the pan and cook the sauce for another 4 to 5 minutes until the wine has mostly evaporated. Now you can add the tomato sauce and the cream. Stir and simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the sauce has thickened. It's a lot of simmering, but that's necessary to transform the tomato sauce into something special. Remember that pot of water we have boiling? Now's the time to start the pappardelle. Make sure that you salt the pasta water well. We waited to the end because this is a fresh pasta and it only needs about 1 to 2 minutes to cook, so pop that into the water. Don't walk away though, or you'll have a messy goo of noodles on your hand. Just 1 minute is all mine needed. Transfer those directly into the sauce along with about 1/4 cup of the pasta water and the Parmesan cheese. Stir it and let it sit for a few minutes to thicken. That's our spicy sausage pappardelle. I hope you enjoyed the first episode in our series, and I hope you'll come back and watch some more. Check out the description for links to our other pasta videos. I love this pasta. You can serve it with some more grated Parmesan. I mean, why not?